All right. Going full speed ahead. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, here we go. All right, guys. So I'm gonna head straight here and check out that really cool sandy, it's almost like a beach area right there. That's little rocks. You can actually walk out that directions and check this out. It's actually weird seeing in the little sandy beaches there out here in an island. So we're gonna go check this out and just gonna kick back a little bit and then walk around and show you guys cool sceneries out here. Oh, there it is. All right, straight shot. It's insane. Well, the whole area of the island, this is a spot that really sandy. Okay, let's do it. Check this out. All right, going full speed ahead. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, here we go. All right, guys, bear with me. Here we go. Wow. Check this out. Woohoo. All right, I made it. Yes. Alrighty then. Okay. I'm gonna get out and show you guys here. This is so cool. All right. So here we are. All right, let's hop over here. Look at that. Nice looking cove. It's all sandy. Sandy beaches. Somebody's been here. Alright. Let's walk over here. And, show you this side of the views here. All right. Wow. This is so cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right, made it. Guess what? I think I'm gonna walk out there. That small rocks over there. There you go. It's not very deep right here. Okay, it's perfect. There we are. Ta-da! Check this out. This is so cool. Woohoo! Wow. Water's so clear. I was just out there, that island, a minute ago, and then came over here and had to check out this sandy beach area here. This is so good, so cool. All right, so peaceful. Wow. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you do, just give me a thumbs up and you hit that subscribe. We do appreciate it. Wow, lake is pretty good size. So much to explore, so many places out here to go and check out. Sweet. Okay. Well, I'm gonna head back. Now, oh, be careful. A little slippery. Okay. Yeah.